I'm Greg Laquara. I'm the owner of Above Sea Level here at Bolo Hills Beach Club, and soon we will open a new branch in Lukap Wharf, which most tourists go. So we believe that that branch will not only double but triple the sales of Above Sea Level.
Kwento mo naman, Sir Greg, paano ba nag-umpisa yung Above Sea Level natin dito?
It so happened that Ma'am Wina, we had this conversation, and we talk about business, the possibility of working together, and so far it's been almost 5 years now, and it's working fine.
Magkakaroon ka na ng second branch mo sa Lukap, which is, yun nga, sabi ni Sir Greg, napakadaming turista doon. It's considered, of course, our tourist destination dito sa Pilipinas. And napaka-swerte po ni Above Sea Level na magkakaroon kami ng branch doon sa pagmamay-ari po ni Sir Greg. Sir Greg, since 'di ba nag-start tayo during the pandemic, talagang kasagsagan yun ng pandemic, napakalakas ng loob mo. Na during that pandemic, when all the businesses are closed, doon ka pa nag-open, 'di ba? Ano yung mga challenges na napagdaanan mo during those times? And ngayon, magsa-second branch ka na. How were you able to overcome those challenges?
Yes. Well, to begin with, I already understood that it's not gonna be easy dahil we're slowly building up the business, including ASL. Even mahina when things are not going so good, continue to open. But now, it's getting back to where it used to be. So, yun.
Hindi naman kayo magkaka-second branch kung hindi maganda ang nangyari sa inyo kay Above Sea Level. And we hope po na after the Lukap, maybe we're gonna populate Pangasinan. Marami pa pong nearby areas na magaganda na pwede nating lagyan si Above Sea Level, Sir Greg. Lalo na nakikilala na si Above Sea Level dito sa Alaminos. And we're very, very proud na napakadaming squiders na naghihintay sa pag-open ng Lukap branch natin, Sir Greg. Ano naman po mapapayo mo, Sir Greg, sa mga tips mo sa mga gustong pumasok sa negosyo, natatatakot pa, gustong mag-franchise, pero nag-iisip pa, and ano yung mapapayo mo bilang experience na negosyante para sa kanila?
Yeah. First of all, pag franchise ang pinag-uusapan, it's lesser ang worries mo dahil ano na the system is already there. You just need to follow it, and ano, madaling pag-aralan. And because of the support also given by Ma'am Wina and his team and her team, mas madali. So yun ang importante.
And I think, Sir Greg, yan yung parang isa sa tingin ko na para maging successful ang isang franchisee. Kasi nandun na yung system kailangan mo na lang sumunod. So, you just have to follow their standard, the procedure, and definitely magiging successful ka just like you.
Definitely. If you work the system will work for you.
Exactly.
So, yun. Napakadaling sundan. With, like I said earlier, yung support ng team ni Ma'am Wina is always there. So, and we're looking forward to continue to work with Above Sea Level. And who knows, the opportunity is unlimited. There's so many places here in Western Pangasinan, a tourism hub for you know.
Nagiging love na ng Pangasinan si Above Sea Level Si Giant Butterflies, dinadayo pa nila dito sa Bolo Hills. Kaya we know, nung kinontak niya kami for his second branch, we know na ito na naman. Magkakaroon na tayo. We're very positive kasi always niya pinag-aaralan lahat ng mga ginagawa niya.
That's right.
And we are here to support all the way. On your opening, we will be there too. And again, in behalf of my team, we want to congratulate you for your opening.
Thank you, Ma'am Wina.
You're always welcome.